Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my amazing art family. And this week our very special guest, Moose Crazy's art. Moose is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed what she had to offer this week. If you missed it, there'll be a link in the description. Go back and check her out. Alrighty, so we're going to rock some blues, have some radial and comb over fun, and let's just go have some fun.
It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. It's so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been. All the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. So simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been. All the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one.
So why am I so into it when I know you and I is a physical thing we don't talk about. We just hide under the covers. I feel you closer. I want you to make me get lost in my body, lucid in my mind. Lie to me, tell me I'm yours tonight, and make me feel See the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna.
Alright guys, well that's it for me this week. Bit more fun with my blues and my radials and that new modified comb I'm having fun with. I hope you enjoyed. I had a ball. And thank you again to Moose from Moose Crazy's Art for joining us this week. The airbrush queen. Love her work. Thanks again, Moose. Always happy to have you join us. And that is it for me, guys. So until next time, take care, stay safe. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Go get messy.